How to create your Credit Karma tax account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and search for creditkarma.com and press enter. That's going to bring you to this website here. Now, Credit Karma is an American multinational personal finance company founded in 2007. It is an online credit service that operates under the principle that everyone is entitled to a free and honest credit score. If you already have an account, you can click on the login option. Then enter your email. After that, enter your password. And now click on the login option. If all the credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Credit Karma account. Click on the Create an Account option if you don't have one. Here you will have to follow some simple steps. Enter your email address and then create a new password for your Credit Karma account. Make sure that your password is a strong one. Now after this, there will be a couple more steps. Scroll down and click on the Sign Up option. Here you will have to enter your personal details such as your first name, your last name, and also the primary reason why you want to join Credit Karma. Now click on the Continue option. After that, you will have to enter your home address such as your street address, your state, city, and zip code. Once you have entered all the information, click on the Continue option. Then you will have to enter your social security and the date of birth. Enter the last 4 digits of your social security number here and then enter your date of birth. Now click on the Continue option. Then the last step is to agree to the terms and conditions of Credit Karma. For that, check this box and now you want to click on the Continue option. Once your account has been created, you are going to get an email notification and then you can simply log into your account and start using Credit Karma. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.